Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. In today's video, we are going to start with HCF that we had already gone through in class 5th, which means highest common factor. And if you remember student, we had done three methods in HCF last year. Again, we'll repeat these three methods this year also. Prime factorization method, common division method, and long division method. Prime factorization method means, you remember, we used to do it separately. That is prime factorization. Common division method means we will take two or three whatever numbers are being given together and divide it with a common number. And a long division method, the remainder was remaining, and then we used to divide it with the number by which we used to divide it. So all methods, one example we will see, and then we'll move to exercise 3.6. Okay, prime factorization method. Let us take an example of 28 and 36. So 28, 36. Now I think so you had got the idea how we used to do it. We'll go by prime factorization, so always you have to do it with prime numbers only. The 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are is 8. Again by 2 sevens are and 7 ones are. Go by 2 again here, so 2 ones are 2, 1 and 6 16, so 2 eights are 16. Again by 2, so 2 nines are, 3 threes are, and 3 ones are. Now we'll find out the HCF. 28 is equal to what? 2 into 2 into 7. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now when we are finding out HCF, the number which is common in both, that only we have to take. Like here 2 and 2 is common, so that will be taken. Again this 2 is common, so that will be taken. Now nothing is being common in both, so therefore 2 2s are is 4, so our HCF comes to 4. This is prime factorization method. Now common division method or division method, in that we'll take the same example of 28 and 36. Now in common division method we have to take both the numbers together. Prime factorization में you have to do it separately, but in common division method you have to take together. और ऐसा नंबर लेना है जो ये दोनों नंबर को डिवाइड कर सकता है. तो both the numbers can be divided. That type of number only we have to take. So both are divisible by 2. So 2 14s are and 2 18s are. Again both can be divided by 2. 2 7s are and 2 9s are. Now 7 is already a prime number and 9 is a composite number. So we cannot have one common number which can divide both the numbers. So here we have to stop, and therefore we can write down that HCF is equal to 4. Means 2 2s are is 4. So same answer we are getting. Let us see the third method, long division method. Now long division method, again the same example we'll take 28 and 36. So we have to divide 36 by 28. We cannot go 2s are, because 2 2s are is 4. Here it is 3, so we'll go by 1 only. So 28, 36 minus 28, 16 minus 8 is 8, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Now जो रिमाइंडर बचा, अब वो रिमाइंडर से 28 को डिवाइड करना है. पहले क्या किया, 36 को 28 से डिवाइड किया, द रिमाइंडर वी गॉट 8. अब 8 से जिस नंबर से हमने डिवाइड किया दैट विल कम देयर. Now 8 3s is 24 and 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 is remainder. Now this 8 will come here. So that is 4 2s are 8 and answer is coming 0. So the number by which we get the answer is 0. जो number से divide करके answer हमको 0 मिलता है, that is our HCF. Means here by dividing 4 we got the answer 0. So therefore HCF is equal to this 4. Okay, so these are the three methods: prime factorization separately, common division method you have to take together, and long division method you have to do it in this manner. And where you get the 0 by dividing particular number, then that will become your HCF. So now let us begin with the exercise 3.6. Now in that, question number 1 is given: find the HCF of the following numbers. Their method is not given, but we will apply all the three methods. Now HCF first is 18 and 48. So we will divide it, we will do first 3 in prime factorization, next 3 in common division method, and the last 4 in long division method. Okay, all the three methods we will apply. So 18 48, now 2 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are 48, 2 2s are 2 4s are gain by 2 2 1s are and 2 2s are gain 2 6 are 2 3s are and 3 1s are. So now we'll find out the HCF. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 48 is equal to 2 into 1 2 3 4 times 2 into 3. Now we'll find out what all things we got in common. So 2 and 2 is common here, then 2 is not common, 3 is common. So into 3 means the answer will come, that will be 6. Means the 6 is the highest common factor which can divide both the numbers 6 3s are and 6 8s are. Same way, second one is 30 and 42. So the same method we have to apply. 30 and 42. So it will go by 2 because last digit is 0. So 2 15s are. Now we cannot divide it by 2, but we can divide it by 3. The divisibility of 3, 5 plus 1 is 6, means it is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are is 15 and 5 1s are is 5. Now by 2, so 2 2s are and 2 1s are. Now it cannot go by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, means it is divisible by 3. 3 7s are and 7 1s are is 7. Now we'll find out the HCF. 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 and 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Therefore HCF is equal to 2 is common, so 2. 3 is also common, so 3. 2 3s are is 6 is the HCF of second one. Means 30 and 42, and 6 is the greatest number which can divide both the numbers. Then third one you have to do it by yourself. Fourth one I am doing by common division method. Common division method, what we have to do, we have to take both the numbers together, 27 and 63. The third one which is remaining, that you have to do it by prime factorization method only. Fourth one, from fourth we are starting with common division method. So now both are divisible by 3. 7 plus 2 9, 6 plus 3 is also 9. So 3 9s are, 3 2s are, and 3 1s are. Again it will go by 3. So 3 3s are and 3 7s are. Now we cannot cancel, we cannot divide both the number with any common number. So here we have to stop, and therefore HCF is equal to, just multiply this, 3 3s are, that comes to 9. Now fifth one, again in the same method, 36 and 84. The common division method only we will apply. 36 and 84 both are even numbers, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 1 and 6 16, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, and 2 2s are. Again it will go by 2, 2 9s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. Now by 2 it is not possible, so 9 is there, 2 plus 1 3 means it is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are and 3 7s are. Now here we have to stop because it is not possible. So therefore our HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 2s are 4 3s are 12 is our HCF. So fourth and fifth I had done with common division method, and sixth one you have to do it by yourself in this method only. Now we'll start with question number 7 in that. So it is 70, 105 and 175. Now student, here we have to be careful when we are using long division method. Okay, long division method mein, if the question is not given in ascending order, you have to arrange it in ascending order. But as it is being given here in ascending, so there is not a problem. So first what we have to do here, three numbers are there. So first we'll divide these two numbers, 105 को 70 से divide करेंगे, and then whatever answer will come, by that number we will divide 175 by long division method. So first 105 by 70. Now 7, here it is 10, so 7 2s are is 14, so it is not possible. 71s are 70. Now 5 minus 0 is 5, 10 minus 7 is 3. Now by 35 we will divide this 70. Now 35 2s are is 70, so our answer comes to 0. Now by this 35, जो आंसर्स जो नंबर से डिवाइड करके आंसर हमको 0 आया, by that number only we will divide 175. So 175 will be divided by 35. Here it is 3, here it is 17. So we'll check 35, 5 is how much? 5 5 is 20. 5, so 2 5 3 is 15 plus 2 17. So 35 5 is 175. So therefore our HCF comes to 35, because after dividing 105 by 70 we got the answer 35. 35 say we have to divide 175, so we got again the remainder is 0 by dividing it with 35, so our HCF is 35. In same way, question number 8, it's 91, 112 and 49. So as it is not arranged in ascending order, so first we'll arrange it in ascending order. 49, 91 and 112. So first we'll divide 91 by 49. 4 2s are is 8, but 49 2s are, if we will calculate, so it comes to 98. So go by 1 only. 11 minus 9 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now the remainder is coming 42. Now we have to divide 49 by 42. So it will go by 1 only. 42. So 7 is the remainder. Now 42 divided by 7. The 7 6er is 42. The answer we got, that is 7. Now we will divide this 112 by 7. So 7 ones are is 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. 2. 42. 7 6er is 42. So we got the remainder as 0. So therefore our HCF is equal to 7. Okay, so 2 sums I had done. Remaining 2 sums you have to do it by yourself in the same manner. But as we had changed the order, agar ulta pulta diya, you have to arrange it into ascending order and then only you have to divide. First take the 2 numbers only, first 2 numbers, and then whatever answer you get, when you get the answer as 0, by that number you have to divide 112. So that was your question number first. Now question number 2 is being given. Question number 2 is that, okay, we'll do it here only. In question number 2, it is given what is the HCF of 2 consecutive. If you consider HCF of 2 consecutive means two continuous number, दो नंबर का आप HCF जब निकालोगे continuous, like example 2 and 3, the HCF will be 1, because वहाँ पे दोनों प्राइम नंबर है, so it is not possible to do it. So the first answer will come as 1, जिसका कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर्स नहीं होता है, which you cannot divide by any number, then it can be divided by 1. Now 2 even numbers, कोई भी 2 even number आप ले लो, उसका जो HCF होगा, if you take for example 2 and 4, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are, so what is common? So 2 will come. Another example, if you want to take 6 and 8, 2 fours are, 2 twos are, and 2 ones are, 2 threes are, and 3 ones are. What is common? 2 is common. So your second answer comes to 2. Now 2 consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd number means 1 के बाद 3 is consecutive, then 3 के बाद 5, 3, 5, 5 and 7, 7 and 9. So if we find out the HCF of them, it will come to us 1 only. Like here we got of 2 even numbers as 1. Sorry, 2 numbers, 2 consecutive numbers we got as 1. Here same 2 consecutive odd numbers का भी HCF अगर आप find out करोगे तो you will get it as 1, जिसका कुछ कोई भी common factors नहीं आता है, there it will be always 1, because by 1 all the numbers are divisible. Now the last question is given. HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 are found as follows by factorization. 4 का क्या मिला 2 into 2 and 15 का मिला 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, common prime factor कोई भी नहीं है, देखो 4 means 2 into 2 and 15 means 3 into 5. So HCF of 4 and 5 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct answer? मैंने क्या बोला था यहाँ पे, जिसका कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं आता है उसका आंसर क्या होगा? HCF, it will be always 1. So third one, what you can write? The HCF of 4 and 5 will be 1. इसमें कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होता, उसमें वन कॉमन होता है, दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर विल कम एज 1. So student, this was your exercise 3.6. Question number 3, first का third one, sixth one, ninth and 10th you have to do it by yourself. If any problem you can discuss it in the Google Meet. So till then, thank you and take care.